Joey, and this is DIY Slimes. So this is my first time streaming, and I'm super excited. And at the end of the video, we are going to be opening a big tub of sparkly red slime that was $10 that you can get at Target. And we are also cutting up a stress ball that was $3 that you can also get at Target. So let's get on to the video. Oh, I forgot. We are going to be making flubber slime. So now let's get on to the video. So first, you got to mix up glue and water.
1 cup of Elmer's glue.
1 cup of Elmer's glue.
And 1/2 cup of water.
And 1/2 cup of water. So.
And you want to make sure the water's room temperature.
And you want to make sure the water's room temperature. So first, we're going to put in the glue. So let's just pour the glue. Whoa! It came out fast, actually. Oh, wow. Whoa.
Maybe you can use the spoon to get the rest.
Yeah, I'm going to use the spoon to get the rest out. You need a spoon to get the rest out if it doesn't come out all the way. Which it probably won't. Okay, I guess it's done. So now we are going to pour the water in. And then you're going to mix it together for a little bit. And now is the perfect time to put in any color and sparkles that you want to put in, if you want to. So I'm gonna put in some green color right here. I'm gonna put in these 2 green colors. Hold on, I can't reach them. Right here. You don't have to put in sparkles, and if you want, you can put in sparkles, but you don't have to pick the same color that means if you want to, but. And you don't have to choose the same color. I'm just choosing this color. So now I'm gonna put in some green. I can open it. Yes, I can open it. Oh wow. Stop. And that's it, plenty for me. Open this. See, Mom, right here. Open these.
Okay.
I know how.
Oh.
So my mom's gonna open this. So my mom's gonna open them. I can't open it. I'm 7. Oh, and to tell you my age, I am 7. Oh my gosh, there's so much.
You gonna use them all?
Yes, I am actually. Whoa, it's so much.
It's a lot of glitter.
Yes, it
Are
is.
you sure you want to use all the other one too?
No.
You might be good just to use the one.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put this up later. That's gonna
So I'm just going to use one actually because that's a lot of glitter for one tiny case. And now you're going to mix it. Ooh. I can start to see the color. And now you're going to put the starch in.
1/2 cup of cornstarch.
1/2 cup of cornstarch. Oh! And this is also activator, so you don't need to put an activator.
Actually, this is liquid starch.
Liquid starch and activator.
Ooh.
Oh man, it's already starting. Forming, I mean. Well, you gotta mix this up for a while because, you know, this color doesn't show up like boom. So, I might put a little bit more color.
Want to try?
Yeah, I think I need to.
You better hurry.
Okay, I gotta hurry. Okay, I think that's enough. I mix it up now. Wow. So much sparkles everywhere. That good thing I put a cloth down. Oh, and if you hear dogs in the background, that's just my dogs. So, mix, mix, mix. Oh, wow.
And then after a while, you can start mixing with your hands.
And after a while, you can start mixing with your hands, but not now. Not now. You just gotta mix for a little bit. Try and mix hard because it's already forming. I don't want it to form yet because the color hasn't even brought in yet. No. Oh, I ripped it apart a little bit in the spoon.
So since you got it out, why don't you switch to using your hands so you can combine the colors well?
So now that I got it out, I can start mixing my hands. But if you don't got it out, you don't have to mix it with your hands yet. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. If you want, you can put more, whatever that is, in there, if it's too sticky. I might use more.
What do you want to use more of?
A little bit more of that. Yeah, I need a little bit more of that because it's so sticky. It's really sticky, actually. Oh, there. Now I'm going to mix it up with my hands. Okay, now it's not so sticky. Oh, wow. Oh, no, don't get in the tablecloth. That's going to be just, wow. Then we have to use a different tablecloth, and I think this is the only one that we have. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Okay, then. Wait until it doesn't get that sticky. Oh. Before you put it on your table or your tablecloth. It's going to stick. Wow. Okay, this is warming my hands out, actually. Slime never warms my hands out, but this is big slime, actually. We're going to use, okay. So can I put it on the tablecloth now? Okay, now I'm going to put it on the tablecloth because it's not that sticky, but it is wearing out my hands. Come on, get off of there. Oh, come on, get out. Get all of you out. Oh, wow. My hands are already worn out. Get that off on the side. Oh. I need to use a little bit more, whatever that stuff is. Whatever this is. What is it called, Mom?
Liquid starch.
Liquid starch. Because this is also like activator. Okay, we'll mix it together with my hands. Oh, because my hands are getting so tired. Mom, can you mix it up with your hands? My hands are getting so tired.
Ooh, it's cold.
I know, it's so cold. So my mom's putting it up right now. For a while, because my hands are tired.
Makes cool noises.
I know. It's like a little ocean sound. Huh. You guys hear that? Give your thumbs up. Okay, Mom, yeah. You better wipe that off with your hands. Or go wash your hands right now. Yeah, you better go wash your hands. It's all over your hands. I'm going to wash my hands after the video. Or before we open the big tub of slime. Yeah, before we open the big tub of slime. Whoa, this is so cool.
That's coming off my hands.
Oh, it is? Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to, put it out if I can. I mean, this is a lot of slime. Will this stick to the tablecloth, Mom?
I don't think so. See?
Oh, okay. Good. Oh! Dun. I'm glad this is not the table because it will get stuck in the wood cracks. They worked hard on this, actually. And as you know, it's my first video. Ugh, so sticky. No. Okay, Hugh. Wait. Oh, it's not coming off, Mommy. Oh, Mommy, it's not coming
It'll come off.
It'll come off. Okay. I hope it does. This is the only tablecloth we have. Actually, okay, it's not coming off.
Roll it up. Roll it up.
Oh. Oh, then it's coming off great. Ugh. But it is super sticky. Don't put this on your tablecloth because this slime might be too sticky. But at least it's coming off of mine. Great. I'm still going to wash my hands before I use a play with the red slime. It's almost the end of the video. This is actually really cool and fun and satisfying. So I think I got to close it because it's the end of the video. And that was actually quick for the end of the video, but it is. So I gotta go wash my hands for a minute. So, Mom, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jovi's mom. And I'm enjoying making some flubber with her today. While Jovi is washing her hands, I'm just trying to get the rest of her slime off my fingers. And it's always easy to do it if you can roll it around on your hands. And it'll get stuck and it'll get all the rest of the slime up. Just like that. Looks like snot.
Mom, are you introducing yourself?
All right, are you ready?
Oh, yes. Hand me the big red bucket of slime first. Oh. It's fine. I hope this is not sticky. I hope it's not sticky. And there's still green on the tablecloth. Only a little bit. I don't want this. And the slime. How do you even open this? Mom, you'll have to help me after you wash your hands. So, yeah. Uh-oh! The camera fell down. Now we have to start all over, don't we? So the camera fell down. So I'm gonna, my dad's putting it up right now. Okay, you're up. Sorry that I knocked you guys down. So I'm gonna wait for my mom to help me open this, because it's really hard to open and I don't even know how to open it.
You know what? Maybe your daddy can open it.
Yeah.
While your mommy's getting the slime off her hands.
Dad, introduce yourself too.
I'm okay.
Well, at least
All
I
right.
can hear you. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is not sticky at all. Okay. This smells like this smells like strawberries. My dad's fixing the camera. Well, yeah. Okay, wow. Oh, it's so big and red, sparkly. Might want to do this on the surface that's not green. Oh, right, yeah. So, this is the red slime. You see? So, anyways, it's very fat, as you see. And very shiny and sparkly red, as you can also see. Ooh. very stretchy. It smells really strawberry.
I can't see you. You have to
Oh, so yep. I'm gonna go back now. I think I'm too close to the camera. Put this away. And I'm gonna shut this. And now, for the final thing, we are gonna be opening this stress ball. Do you see what's in there?
Show it.
Oh, I'm gonna squish it for you guys. Okay, now, thanks, Mommy. Thank you. I did come open this string. I've been waiting so long to open this. Okay, I'm gonna open the whole string. So hard. Okay, well, rip.
Can you push it out? Squeeze it out?
Oh yeah, I think I can squeeze it out. Yes, I can actually. No, I can't. I'll have to help co-open. Yeah, Mom, can you open this? Hold it. No, that's stressing me out, actually. Just going. Well, my mom's kind of open. And I will show you the brand of this red slime. Oh, well, she's already done, but I'll show you the brand. It is Comboed Kings right here, and some glazy slime. So yeah, now we are gonna wait, I'm gonna squish it. Whoa. Okay, I'll need the scissors. Put this over the board. Oh, this is one of my favorite slimes. Ooh, I better open it all the way. Not all of it, it's going up. Good. Come on. Oh, there it goes. It's like egg yolk. Oh, look at it. It's egg yolk. Egg yolk. Oh, my mom's playing with that rubber right there. Can't probably see her. Up there. Whoa. So, looks like an egg yolk from egg. I just blocked out from rubber. Ugh. Oh. Put the bowl over. I'm just gonna put it closer. As you see, looks like an egg yolk. Whoa! Okay. So that's the end of the video, sadly. But there will be more videos. This is my first time making a string video. So I'm going to give you the last looks at all the slimes. This green sparkly slime here. I think I put it too close. And then this egg yolk slime I didn't make. And this big red sparkly slime. You can see it. Ugh. You can't see that well. Too close. As you can see. Wow. So, that's, hold on. That's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, and bye.